Last week we talked about the vegan cheeses and which one was healthier based on nutritional value. This week we're going to try them out and see which one tastes the best. So let's get cooking. So hey there, thanks for joining me today. So we're going to try some vegan cheeses. Okay, so we got 3 types of vegan cheeses here. So why don't we start from left to right? So first is this pale one. So why don't we try it? And we're also going to make it into grilled cheese form. So this is the chow one, and it says creamy original. It smells like cheese. What do you think?
Well, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty good. Actually, it tastes quite like cheese. Like a piece of cheddar cheese, I guess. Like an old cheddar or something. Okay.
Or like a Swiss. Monterey Jack.
Oh, okay, cool. And then the second one is the Earth Island mild cheddar. So it looks like this. Pretty good color. So let's try a slice of this.
They all look like cheeses.
Yeah, they all look like cheese, and the feeling is pretty good too. Like actually cheese slice, like those pre-cut slices of like Cracker Barrel cheese. It smells pretty good. It smells like cheese, just like the first one. It tastes like cheese. It's pretty good actually. I'm quite impressed.
Cheddar? Mild cheddar.
Not bad.
It's
Pretty
kind
good.
of like the Kraft singles.
Yeah. Yeah. And then the last one here is the VO Life. So it is the VO Life cheddar style cheese, and it looks similar to the first one or the second one in color. So it looks really good in terms of cheese color here. Let's try this. I'm actually quite impressed. So this one looks like cheese too, and the like feeling of it is like cheese too. It smells like cheese, just like the first two. It smells very similar. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like cheese.
I was getting a weird aftertaste on this one.
The second one?
Yeah. Slight aftertaste.
Like what? Beanie?
Like the Dia ones.
Funny story. So back a few years, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, Dan and I tried a lot of the Dia cheeses, and it shreds really, it melts really well, and like it's stringy, but the taste was a little bit different than what we had expected, and it didn't taste like cheese to us. And Daniel has not forgotten that tasting. It's been 5 years, and we tasted it just once. But some things stick with you, and that's okay. Actually, which one do you like based on the eating, based on the taste, just eating it raw? I think I like this one the most.
I would say it's a tie between the chow and this last one.
The first and the last one?
Yeah.
The chow is really creamy.
Try again.
And the
It's
last one?
thicker, huh? The chow.
Oh, is it? In terms of calories, they're all the same calories, and nutritionally, they're all the same as well. So size-wise, they're pretty close in size too. I think I like the chow one the most. It doesn't have an aftertaste.
Yeah.
And it tastes it tastes very creamy, like as it advertises. It's made with tofu, it says.
Oh, tofu?
There's some fermented tofu in it, but it's mostly, the first is coconut oil, water, coconut oil, and then cornstarch, potato starch.
Oh.
So let's try this in grilled cheese form and see how it melts. So I bought bread, and my bread went moldy, and so now we will have to use hamburger buns, and that's okay, because we have a lot of hamburger buns because we're doing the burger tasting. So let's see how they grill up. So let's see how it goes. So this one is the Earth Island one. Not bad, not bad. This one is the chow one. It smells like pretty good. It smells like grilled cheese. And then this one is the VO Life. That looks pretty good. So Dan, thanks for joining me again for the cooked options with the vegan cheeses. So grilled cheese form. So let's give it a try. So let's do it from left to right. So start from here, this side. Go ahead. So this one melts quite well, melted quite well, and then we put the cheese actually directly on the pan because the bun was too thick. The hamburger bun was too thick because, like I mentioned, the bread went moldy.
Very good.
Still no taste, no smell.
No weird smell.
It's pretty good. It actually tastes like actual cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Like mozzarella. Cheddar.
Not bad.
So this is the second one. Here you go. So this is the white one. So this is the creamy cheddar, the chow one. Again, no taste, no smell. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty creamy.
Very close.
It's great. And then the last one here is the VO Life. Go. So let's see how it looks. So again, really melts really well. Let's see here. They all melted really well.
Mm-hmm.
The cheese here. And then there's no smell or anything.
I think the white one, it tastes a little saltier.
I had to double check the nutrition information. Which one's your favorite?
The white one.
I agree. The white one tasted best for me when it was in slice form, so raw or uncooked, and then it also tastes the best in grilled cheese form. So good versatility for sandwiches and also for this. But again, based on the fact that there is very low nutrition in this, it's just mainly for the taste of having cheese, but there's no protein. There's not much in it as well, just fat and coconut oil. Thank you, Dan.
Okay.
Does this change your view about vegan cheeses?
Yeah, it's better now. I'll eat them.
Great, we have a lot of slices left. I think we have there's 10 in each pack. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks for joining me today.
For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.